standard in our school. He is a Dharmendra, same class 2. Today we will tell about Louis Braille. Louis Braille was born on January 4, 1809. He is a French educator and reading and writing system named after him. Braille intended used by usually impaired people. This system is used worldwide and remains virtually unchanged to this day. Braille was blinded at the age of 31 eyes, a result of a stitching away in his father's harness making shop. Consequently, an infection set in and spread to both eyes and totally blindness. He received a scholarship at France Royal Institution for Blind Youth. He invented a tactile system of reading and writing for the blind people. In adulthood, he served as a professor at institution and had advocate as a musician. He was died on 6th January 1852 due to the disease of tuberculosis. Thank you for giving us this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
Conversation activity by 8th class girls.
Good morning to everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am K. Bhavna of 8th standard. She is Priyanka, same class 2.
Today we are going to hear ISKCON Designers Let Us Converse activity. In this conversation, we will converse each about health issue. Hello Bhavana.
Hello Priyanka.
How are you?
I am not fine because in my family all members suffering from viral fever. Why I don't know. Do you know why this is happening like that?
I think that it is winter season. Due to mosquitoes and cool climate, it has happened like that.
You are correct. What the type of precaution we have to take to prevent this type of viral fever?
To prevent like this viral fever, we should use mosquito nets at night times while sleeping. And we should take medicines in time. Eat freshly cooked food and drink hot water.
Thank you for your suggestion.
You are welcome.
I want to go to my home. Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Thank you for giving us this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
Experiment activity by 8th class. Bye.
Good morning to one and all. My name is K. Bonsaran, studying of 5th standard in Vision English Medium School. Sir, my friends, Bharatnangan, Kaushik, we are performing today a science experiment.
Experiment name. Water flows by a pressure balloon. Require materials. Bottle, balloon, one straw, and a glass of water. Procedure. Take a bottle and put a hole to the bottle. And insert a straw into it. And pour some water into the bottle. Now blow the air into the balloon. And insert to the top of the bottle. Now press the balloon. You can see water flows by the straw.
Why this happen? The balloon contains air pressure, and when we can press the balloon, the air goes down to the bottle, and the water flows through the straw. Thank you for giving us this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
Good morning, children. Good morning, dear. How are you all? We are fine, dear. I'm also good, children. Thank you. What is today? Hmm? Black day. Why? It's Vasanta Panchami, no? Why is it black day? Come on. Soldiers? Soldiers died. Where? Okay. So it is Black Day. Another significance is there. It's a religious festival also. What is it? Vasanta Panchami. First we have to pay our tribute to the great soldiers who sacrificed their lives. And next importance is to our festival Vasanta Panchami. Do you know anything about Vasanta Panchami? Nothing? This goddess? Which goddess is related with that? Goddess of wisdom, Saraswati. Is it? She is the goddess of wisdom according to our Hindu beliefs. And if Goddess Saraswati bless us, we all people become wise. Isn't it true? Isn't it true? Is there any truth behind that saying? Of course, we want some kind of hard work behind such blessing. Is it or not? Without hard work only, we can gain anything in our life. So work hard first. Then only approach your God or goddess for the blessing. Understand? Whatever we do, God's part is only half in our life. The half part is completely depend upon our hard work. So we have to do our hard work and get blessing from Saraswati. One thing I want to remind you children, before reading your books, you have to devote it first thing. Just like a devotion you start. We have that feeling in our mind. Then you can have best disciplined way, just like doing your devotion at your deity. Are you doing devotion at your deity? Only going to temple or doing at home also? Anybody? Not doing at home. Only go to temple and worship there. Is it? Not doing at home. Anybody? Doing. So, like that way, how to take a devotion in your heart. Why means, it gives more, whenever we are devoting our deity, we are giving more concentration towards that, more focus. Is it or not? Without doing any mistakes, first thing, and keeping everything in a hygienic way also. Is it? Without doing such things, you cannot devote your deities. Is it? So such a way you have to follow while you are reading also. Focus, completely focus on your subject first. when you are reading, you cannot understand something. The next day, or if it is available there, so you ask there at that time itself. If not available, you are at home. Then next day itself, you have to ask your teacher to rectify that doubt. You can approach them. They are always ready. Understand or not, children? So you have to ask your teacher to clear your doubts, whatever may be, small or big. If doubt is there, you have to approach your teacher. That is the first thing. And while reading, never look here and there. Okay, na? That is also a wrong step. Understand or not? Do you understand? Don't think other things. Focus on your subject. Whatever may be, one question, two questions, or one meaning, whatever may be you learn it perfectly. After that, practice that perfectly. Then you can avoid your spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, such things while writing your essays or exams. Or exams and science day come together. Is it or not? Huh? Just after exams, science day was there, so you have to balance both items together now. And work hard for exams as well as science fair. Is there anybody not including in any science project here? Anybody? All of you in science project only, no? Total school. That is our management's instruction also. Everybody should attend any project. You have to learn completely, children. Why we are telling Koti sir and other teachers, why we are telling every day? Means it's very important. Learning and explaining. When your father or mother approach, you cannot explain that properly. How they will feel once you have to ask your mind yourself. So you have to learn whatever may be your project, you have to learn the total process. Doing and explaining both. Okay, na? Once again, let's pay tribute to our soldiers. All of you, be in attention position, Nana. Close your eyes. Only 1 minute. Nice day. Thank you all. First of all, happy birthday to you, Makesh. Please your best friend, Amir Wali. Come on, Amir Wali. Only one friend you have? One member only? Okay. May God bless you, my child. Now, as usually, you just take this one.